Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on Acer laptop. It's a Predator, recently I purchased, cost around 130k. This is how I received. There is a damage on the box, you can see in the corner. So after removing the curtain box, still now it's showing inside the box, so it's a little more, a little scary. So that is the reason I'm making this video. So people should see, like, transport people, I don't understand. It's very expensive product, still they're not caring. And Predator, it's very good because I did a lot of research on this budget. You won't get this kind of configuration. So still the damage is there, little worried, but still I'm taking risk and planning to open. So seal is good, there is no damage on seal. Let's see how it looks. That's glowing one more box inside the box, so there is no damage on that box, so I'm very happy. And that logo is glowing, package design is very nice, the black and shiny thing. Logo, the name exactly matching with the product, so I liked it very much. Predator Helios 300, so from Flipkart I purchased. I received on March 23rd. So now we need to open the box to see the laptop. So with the box we'll get this kind of user manual and international warranty. It's very nice. It's like the quality maintaining it's very well, and you'll get the charger as well with the box. So eagerly waiting for to see the laptop. Yes, this is how it looks. Actually I recorded from the phone, so I hope you cannot see it proper. Let's look in the phone format. Yes, this is how it looks. Logo always like the glowing and the metal finish, it's very nice. And as I'm using from last 3 months for graphic purpose, it's totally fine, nothing to worry, so no lag. And this got 16 GB RAM and 6 GB RTX 2070 graphics card and 144 Hz screen, so that easily you can run all the add-up applications. So till now I'm using all the applications, nothing to worry on that, because that's my personal experience. So far so good. And this is how this screen looks. If you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Acer Predator, it's i7 9th gen. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon with other video.